Hi there, my name is Dan Scott, and in this DaVinci Essentials course, I've teamed up with good friend and master editor, Wampus, aka Brandon Baldovin.
DaVinci Resolve isn't hard, it's just unfamiliar. And once somebody explains it the right way, it clicks. Well, hello out there. My name is Brandon Baldovin, but depending on where you look on the internet, you may also know me as Wampus.
If you don't edit with a blanket, what are we doing?
I started out just making fun gaming videos with some friends. I've had the opportunity to work on weddings, music videos, trailers, short form videos, podcasts, and long form documentaries. At this point, I've covered it all, if not at least most of it. Mind you, not at a Hollywood level, but I think that's why you and I can be a great fit, because I understand where you're coming from. I understand the journey that you're about to go on. And now, through Bring Your Own Laptop, I have the opportunity to teach a full course that I can confidently say will prepare you for anything. Because the beautiful thing about DaVinci Resolve is that it covers everything and anything in the post-production world. And I really mean anything. Unlike its competitors, DaVinci Resolve combines all aspects of the post-production process into one comprehensive package, meaning that not only will we become proficient as editors, but we'll learn the basics of motion graphics and animation through the Fusion page, and we'll explore the color page, which is unparalleled in its capabilities. We're gonna cover a lot of techniques, but I'd also like to cover a lot of the whys. What I'd like to do is to give you the right tools and ingredients so that you can create anything that fits your taste. Editing is an art form at the end of the day. There is never a singular correct or right answer. There are just better choices that we can learn to make. The only thing that you are going to need is your copy of DaVinci Resolve installed on whatever device you plan on learning on. All other course material will be provided for you. At the end of each working class project, you will have a final render deliverable that you'll need to upload. Each of these projects will be something that you can also use on your portfolio or show reel to highlight some of the skills that you've learned. With all of that said, if you watch each of the laid out sections without skipping, you know who you are. You will walk away a confident editor and creator. So, let's get familiar with DaVinci Resolve.